Hi, I'm working on the Toyota Alphard Series 1 and the problem I've got is that the spoiler, the rear spoiler, is loose. So there it is, there, you can see it moving around. So what I've done is I've removed the side trim here, side trim here and side trim here to gain access to these 11mm bolts, which you're going to need a long extended socket to get access to them. Okay, and those were tightened up, will tighten up those two areas up there as well. One thing to note is when you're removing the panels at the side, you want to use quite a wide trim remover, and that will gain access quite easily. This will just pull down by using a wide grip and giving it a good pull. So you can try popping it out with the individual ones, just loosen it up and pull it out. Gain access to those bolts, tighten them up, job done.